Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a Samsung Galaxy S22. First of all, open your phone application. Then in the top right corner we got 3 dots, so tap it and choose settings. Here choose block numbers, and how you can see here we got 2 blocked phone numbers. So for unblocking this, for example, last one, click here on the minus, and how you can see we got success message. So let's try again this number and click here on the right minus in the right side. So tap, and you can now receive calls and message from this number. And that's it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.